we're not going to talk about food costs because I'll get sued for it. You see, I'm one of the many people that makes up the food supply chain, meaning I distribute the food and someone's got to know how much it is to sell to the grocery stores. A lot of us know a different food cost than you know, but we're not allowed to talk about it. So I'm going to try and say something that won't get me sued. You see, my company is happy to sell food to anyone who can buy it at the price that the grocery stores buy it from. It's just that most people don't want as much food as the grocery stores are buying. But if a bunch of people got together and decided that they wanted to call themselves a grocery store and they pooled money together for the products they were already buying, I and my little company would be happy to sell my product to anyone who has enough money to buy it by the case. I guess what I'm saying here is instead of looking at politicians and looking for lower prices, maybe we could get them immediately if we just started looking at each other. Much love and respect.